Oh my. Oh my god. Full metal? And an A. What the fuck, dude?
Oh, okay. This is
We'll have a lock on the TC and on that one little thing. But besides that, no locks on the front doors. Yeah, hop out and get them, bitch.
Bet. Come here.
Yeah, you're a I know you can shoot. Stupid fuck. That made me fucking jump in real life. I just gave myself whiplash. Yeah, get fucked, idiot.
There's demons on this game.
Hey, you got 100 scrap? My neighbors are really causing me a hard time.
They take for you.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Oh, yeah. Reka, reka! Reka, reka! Reka, reka! Kremeke! Kreke, kreke! Oh! Boka, boka! Yeah. Yo, grab on my knob. Yeah, I don't see him. He's right there, Lego! To the left! Behind you, bro! Behind you, bro! He's directly behind you, bro. I'm spawning in the base. Yo, wait. Don't do it, dude. Oh, there's two of them there. No way!
Wow.
What happened?
Oh, Lego just hit a landmine.
Did he jump in?
No.
So he's up top.
Oh. Yeah, what's up, boner? Yeah, that doesn't feel good, does it, boner? Oh, is that you?
Did
Or
you
is
jump
that
in?
someone?
No.
Oh no.
This fucking tweaker again.
Dude, give it a rest.
This fucking shotgun trap in the back is cursed.
Make a panic. Oh! Oh! He's in the fucking airlock. He's right there.
Oh my god, it got me.
I just stood up with a knife and I fucking killed him.
No way.
Oh, no, no, no. I just had one. Oh! Fight fire with fire, right, Alex? I killed him. Okay, I'm on him. I'm looting him. Got him.
Nice.
Yo! You guys feel stupid, don't you? You guys feel really fucking stupid, don't you? Stupid. These dudes are just bringing the kids.
I know, it's actually kind of a crazy way to farm.
But no logs and no roof on your base. And I guarantee there's gonna be kids, bro. What? No.